Currently we installed Carla. Just download and extract. We downloaded CARLA-Autoware from GitLab repository, the modified one or the original one, whatever, and Autoware. So we need to link environment variables to link the simulator and the ROS bridge and Autoware together. CARLA-Autoware bridge needs this environment variables to be able to call the Python functions. So how to do that? It's very simple. We open the bash file .bash rc file. So at the end of this file I just add these lines, these environment variables. CARLA-Autoware root, which points to Carla simulator, and the CARLA-Autoware, the bridge folder, and the Autoware launch folder name. Then map path, Carla root. Where is the Carla simulator? Where is the Carla simulator? What's the launch file? And then the Python path. It looks like this. And then here I source ROS and the CARLA-Autoware bridge. So this is very important for everything to work